Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the iPhone so every frame is usable. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and remove any case that vignettes the view. This immediately sharpens results. Once done, enable the grid to apply the rule of thirds for stronger composition and disable the flash to avoid harsh highlights. Tap to set focus, slide exposure down to preserve detail, and hold AE/AF lock. These first steps reduce noise, fix framing, and give you a reliable baseline for the next adjustments. Now you move into controlling light and focus deliberately. Position your subject near a large window or wait for golden hour. Natural light yields softer tones and less sensor noise. Make sure you switch to portrait or telephoto when you need background separation, and activate Pro RAW if your iPhone model supports it. This preserves details for editing. Once done, stabilize the phone with a tripod or a steady surface, and use the 2-second timer to eliminate handshake blur. This combination sharpens textures and improves low-light fidelity. Finally, refine and export with intention. Edit in Photos or a RAW-capable app. Reduce highlights, lift shadows, and correct white balance to restore natural color. Subtle contrast and clarity boosts are fine, but avoid over-sharpening. Export at the highest quality available for prints or sharing. If things go wrong, images are soft or misfocused, clean the lens again, check that autofocus locks on the right area, toggle Pro RAW off and on, and restart the camera app. This troubleshooting fixes most persistent quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.